Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day, massive volume. And I mean, volume had already been huge coming into today, but then volume today just got that much bigger. So pretty crazy, and more of the story here, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into Friday. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area that I want to focus on is more so just a slight adjustment. And the question becomes, okay, well, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And now that we have more data, it's become very clear that the newest area of resistance is right up here at that round number of $6. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, you saw that I needed to adjust that red line in the upwards direction. And while this doesn't guarantee anything, my point is that from a trend building perspective, that's what you want to see. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that implies that new highs are being put in place. And once again, from the trend building perspective, higher highs is definitely a good thing. So new battleground to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at that $6 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing new to report from any of the previous videos I've done. Talked about that green line right there at 475 as an area of support. And so far, so good. The price is doing a good job of not only holding up above it, but I mean, hasn't really even gotten that close to testing it. So continue to watch 475. Even if the price were to come down here, behave like that and then work its way back upwards. I mean, from the big picture point of view, think about what you'd still have. You'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there if you envision those as stair steps. So from the overall perspective, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And at the end of the day, that's what you want to see. It's all about building those trends, and you build those trends by putting in the higher highs and higher lows. So overall, those are going to be the two main levels to watch moving into Friday. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.